Hi guys, today we are going to fit Android car stereo in BMW F20 first series. First thing you need is removal tool, so start from here. Then you have two screws here. You have another two screws on the radio. And another two screws on the screen. Pull the screen up. Then you have to remove the LVDS cable. So this one you have to push it like this and then pull the cable carefully. Now pull the radio out, and here open the main plug like this. Okay, that's the microphone. I'll leave it here for now. That's the main wiring harness plug. Let's go into the new screen. The speaker, just put it somewhere inside. These two cables. This side of the adapter goes to the original adapter. And the other side into the back of the unit. Like this. Here you have two USB cables. I leave them here on the side, so they will be like this, and when you need them you can just pull them out. Yeah, here they are. This end connects to the back of the Android head unit we're installing. So basically, from the wiring harness we installed, you can see this connection here. That's for the aux. So we will try and we will see if we have audio from the Android system now. If we don't have, there's this aux cable in the package. Disconnect this one, connect it here, and the other end we have to connect it here. So we'll see now. Hopefully it works. If not, we have to put the cable. That's the Wi-Fi antenna. Just stick it somewhere inside, under the top of the dashboard. Make sure it doesn't touch any metal. Do exactly same thing with the GPS antenna. Just stick it from the other side. That's the back of the new screen. You have these RCA cables here. You can connect to the back of the screen. We will connect here the microphone, this one. So we will put it from here as well, like this. And the plug for it. You can also use the other cables to connect subwoofer or extra speakers, or if you have screens in the back seat. Okay, now we're starting to connect everything from here to the back of the screen. The GPS aerial, the Wi-Fi, that's for the USBs, the RCA cable, the main power harness plug, and the LVDS cable. Okay, now when you have everything connected, push it down. So now, before to do the test, if we will have audio signal, any sound like from the new head unit, we will have to connect back the hazard light buttons. So first I will connect this one. Okay, and just leave it like this for now, and we'll see now if we have sound. Again, make sure that everything is connected until you press the start button. Okay, so now go to car info Now here in the original BMW menu, make sure you are on aux. So CD multimedia, aux, make sure you're on it. Press anywhere on the screen with the finger. And now HD videos. Yeah. We have sound from the Android system, not from the original BMW system. For example, if I go back here and I go on the menu to radio, we have sound now. But if you want to go back to the Android media and you're connected here with Bluetooth, CarPlay, or you're watching Netflix or YouTube, doesn't matter what it is, if you're in the Android screen, you have to first go to multimedia and choose aux. Yeah. So after you choose aux, you have sound here. Yeah. Let's finish the installation and I'll show you more. Okay, so all these cables here, push them down, make sure they are not on the way, so they can be a problem for the radio to go in. Make sure you remove them as much as you can. Put back the screws. Just push it in and put back the screws from the top. And the last part. So here, try to remove the hazard white buttons. So push it down here from the top, like this, and it will pop out. So now that's it, and connect this one as well. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's the menu. You can change from kilometers to miles in the settings. Also you can do many more things in the settings. In apps, here you have DAB, you have EQ, that's for the DSP. To change the sound settings, like if you want more bass or if you want to be louder, you can also turn on this one here. Phone, that's for the Bluetooth. Here, go to settings, Bluetooth, that's the one, GT7, press on it. Use CarPlay, make sure you turn this on. Okay. Next time when you start the vehicle, it will pair automatically, so you don't have to do this every time. That's your CarPlay menu now. You can use Apple Maps or Google Maps. You can play music from Spotify, or if you have YouTube Music or Amazon Music or any other app you have for music. So when you're on this screen, for example, let's say start, okay, here you can have your maps and your music on the same screen. on the same screen in the same time, and you can play the music, you can watch your navigation here. That's your phone only with Bluetooth, wireless. You can connect iPhone, you can connect Android phone, any phone. The difference is that if you connect Android phone, for example Samsung, you have Android Auto, not Apple CarPlay. It's a different app, but it's the exactly same thing. If you want to go out from this menu, just swipe the menu from the top and press the house. If you want to go back to your original BMW screen, press car info and you're going there. And now you can control it from here and do whatever you want here. If you want to go back to the Android menu, press anywhere on the screen with a finger and you're back there. So now from here you can also control it with the iDrive. If you want to go again in the CarPlay, just go to apps and press Z-Link 5, and here also you can control it with iDrive. Like this, but you can also control it with the touch screen. For example, if you want to watch YouTube on the screen, go back to the main menu from the top again. Here you have internet networks unavailable. If you hold on it, and here you have Wi-Fi, turn the Wi-Fi on, find your phone hotspot or your house, for example, or anywhere, any internet router, connect to it, and then you can go back here, go to Play Store, log in with your Gmail details, and you can install any apps you like Netflix, YouTube, or even the games, doesn't matter. And also when you connect internet to it, you can use straight Google Maps without even connect your phone Bluetooth, for example. But the best way to use maps is from the CarPlay or Android Auto.